Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency in this comprehensive tutorial video. Whether you're a beginner looking to understand the basics or a seasoned investor wanting to expand your knowledge, this video is for you. Cryptocurrency has revolutionized the way we think about money and transactions, and it's crucial to have a solid understanding of how it all works. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know from the fundamentals to more advanced topics. We'll start by explaining what cryptocurrency is and how it differs from traditional fiat currencies. Then, we'll delve into the technology behind cryptocurrencies, such as blockchain, and how it ensures security and transparency in transactions. Next, we'll explore the different types of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular altcoins, discussing their unique features and use cases. We'll also touch on the concept of mining and how new coins are created. For those looking to invest in cryptocurrency, we'll provide valuable tips on how to buy, store, and trade digital assets securely. We'll discuss the importance of choosing a reliable and trustworthy exchange platform and keeping your investments safe from potential risks. Additionally, we'll talk about the future of cryptocurrency and its potential impact on the global financial system. With the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens (NFTs), the possibilities are endless in this ever-evolving space. So grab a notebook, sit back, and join me on this educational journey into the fascinating and complex world of cryptocurrency. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment with your thoughts and questions, and subscribe for more informative content. Let's dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency together.